Hello everyone, in this video we are going to learn how to automatically create Zendesk tickets on monthly basis. So we are going to learn how to integrate these two applications, Schedule by Pabbly at first, which will make you schedule that creation of ticket every month without fail, and then Zendesk where you will be creating a ticket. So in this automation that we will be creating using Pabbly Connect, our trigger will be to trigger every month by schedule and our action will be to create a ticket in Zendesk. Let us learn how to do that. So in this video, we are going to learn how to automatically create Zendesk tickets on a monthly basis. So if you have any query, if you have a problem that you want to resolve every month or get the solution of that problem in the beginning of every month without a fail, then you can set that reminder with the help of this automation. Let us quickly sign in into our account. So that I will reach this place where I can see all the applications provided by Pabbly, and we are going to use Pabbly Connect to create this automation. Click on Access Now, which will take me to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Reaching here, you can see a big blue button on your right side where it's written Create Workflow. Click on the button and give a suitable name to your workflow. I'm going to name it as Automatically Create Zendesk Tickets on Monthly Basis. Click on Create and then a blank workflow will be created for you like you can see on your screen. You will see two major modules of Pabbly Connect over here, Trigger and Action. Trigger says when this happens and Action says do this. So first of all, let me remind you to open your Zendesk account over here so that you can connect your account easily and also cross-check whatever is your progress of the workflow. Now let us understand the functioning. So the trigger is the application which is going to have an event take place manually that we are going to do and which will trigger this workflow so that the action application performs the assigned action automatically. So the trigger over here is going to be schedule. Why? Because the triggering of schedule will make sure that every month on a specific date that you mention over here in the settings, this workflow will run. Like Schedule by Pabbly is a feature that is built inside Pabbly, so no separate way of connection is required. It just provides you with these fields where you need to make some settings, like if you want it every day, any day of the week or every month. So like dates of month you decide, and there is where you put a date, like on 5th of every month, this workflow should start to run and a ticket in the Zendesk will be created. At what time? So you can set the time over here. So like I am setting the time as 12 a.m. Why 12 a.m.? 12 a.m. is according to the UTC time and I have an 11-hour difference of the UTC and my country time. So that is why I'm doing the setting accordingly. You have to do it in that way. Click on save and the settings will be saved over here. See, at what date of the month? 5th of every month. At this time, a ticket will be raised. Now, let us choose our action application, that is Zendesk over here, because we are going to create a ticket over there. The event will be to create a ticket. Choose your action event. Click on connect and go to add new connection. Now you will need the Zendesk username, password and the subdomain as well. So let us enter the credentials over here. So I will enter my username and password. You have to enter your own credentials. This is my username and this is my Zendesk password that I have entered over here. Now we need to enter the subdomain. So go to your Zendesk and see what is the subdomain over here. Like it is mentioned that if this is your URL of your Zendesk account, then this part between the slash and this .zendesk is your subdomain. Over here we can see if we click on this button, then between the slash and the Zendesk is your subdomain. So copy that part from the URL and paste it in your workflow. This is my subdomain and I will just click on save. And my accounts are connected. Now we have to enter subjects, assignee, collaborators, email, requester name, and many more details that are generally required to create a ticket. Let us first of all decide the subject of our ticket. Let us say that you want a task that has to be completed on the 5th of the month. You're sending a reminder by creating a ticket in Zendesk. So I am writing over here, create list of the absentees of last month. Okay, this is the subject. Who is the assignee? Zendesk. That is just one person, collaborator this. And collaborator's email. Now, if you enter this email over here, then make sure that you can add the email of non-Zendesk user also. But here in the requester name, it is not required, but requester name is required and you must specify the requester name should be in the Zendesk users also. So I'm going to enter a name which is already existing in my Zendesk account, which is this demo user, and I will enter the email address as well. This is the email of the requester. Description of our task then. This is my description of the ticket. Is it public? Yes. Status, new, type, a task. It's a type of task. due at, if you want to enter any date, then you can enter, but for that you have to use date time formatter. So we are not doing that because it is not a task which has a limit or a deadline. Priority, make it high, and then no other thing is left. So just click on save and send test request. Once this is done, wait for the response. And here is the ticket created. You can see over here, this is the ticket created URL, and all the details related to the ticket have been given. No error is here, which means that a ticket has been successfully created and there is no error in our workflow. So we are quickly going to close this window here, and now we will go to our Zendesk account to check that is a ticket created or not. So this is the place. Let us refresh our tickets. And here you can see create a list of absentees was the title, and this is the description. The person with the email address that we just entered, which means that a ticket has been created. So like every month, on 5th of every month, such a ticket will be created so that your team which is using this account or collectively looking at this account, they will be reminded of this task. So this was the whole workflow. I hope this helped. Not just these applications, but you can integrate many other applications using Pabbly Connect. If you have any issue regarding Pabbly, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. You can ask your queries at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any doubts regarding our pricing, then you can connect us through this given website. If you found this video helpful in any way, then make sure to share this with your friends and colleagues to make their life easier by creating automations. We will meet in the next video. Till then, do not forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.